doing so, and then the time frame to do so, and then leasing it up. And
yeah, does it make sense right now with the supply chain the way it is, the interest rates? I mean, if we were working with less, like say 2 years ago, would it
it'd probably make more sense.
Yeah, help pencil out a little better.
Yeah,
there's a lot of constraints right now.
It'll pencil out today if the price makes sense, but
sure.
That's what we're kind of working through right now. But would probably rather do that than operate a motel.
Oh yeah, so much easier long term. It's totally good. There's some in-laws out in Arkansas, northeast side, near probably 2 hours from Memphis. It was a motel, because I stayed there before, and then I came back the next year to change them all into apartments. Small town, Pocahontas, about 2,000 people. Just filled up. So, it's out there. People need full housing.
Yeah.
Period.
I'm gonna go walk this kitchen.
Yeah, please do.
That used to be my job. Order up.
That's those teenagers?
One of them.
They would say 5 to 6 days, 1,800 acres. So he working on it. So that's what he told me that. I don't know. We never seen it. So this one is the only thing. This is the only I don't get.
Accounting software, is there a way to change it?
Same way.
See the repeatability of customers that might help out there as well. Trying to figure that out.
So when we bought it, it was like close to bankruptcy. The income at that time, I think my mom told me was 4,000 to 6,000 per month or something. So we bought it, and I remember it was rough and that was like it was in the 60s.
I didn't print. Do you have one?
Which one? The
Email?
yeah, I got a step of the P&L for 2022. I was trying to do the numbers for right now for this year. I think they're right about around $40,000 a month so far. I'm missing May's right now.
I can send it to you.
Yeah, we'll get that. But right now their revenues for 5 months was about 200,000. Last year was
because our family took over, I think, 6 rooms for us to stay and put our stuff. So if someone who bought it, then you have the 6 more rooms. So yeah, we have a weekly rate, a working rate, and a daily rate. So most of the customer here, we gave them because they are workers. So it's a weekly rate. So it's like an apartment, but it's more expensive than apartment. Or single with for a month, I think with a weekly rate was like 1,700. So if you stay as a week, we change and we clean the room once a week. That's when you stay as a weekly rate. So yeah.
So right now it's I think an average month about 40,000 a month so far. Projected this year to be 480,000. Last year was about 433,000. So I think it's a little over 10-12%.
That's not including any
That's top line revenue.
any restaurant.
Yeah, exactly.
Revenue, right?
So once the restaurant comes
And
in,
ever since May, it's getting a lot more busier. But like I told my mom, we were thinking, because right now the businesses go up, so my mom was thinking if she didn't sell this, we buy a house here, so we have the 6 extra room for it to like, so we have more income.
Because you guys are utilizing 6 of the rooms?
Yes, we stay in 4 room, and then the other 2 room we use to store our stuff.
So in theory, we could...
6 more rooms.
So basically we have 46 rooms. It's just that we took over like 6 rooms. So that's
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some people, like the restaurant guy, asked me if we have any room for him. I said, no.
Right.
The occupancy, it stays pretty high all the time, huh?
Yeah, pretty high all the time. So, I mean, on weekends it's a little bit shorter because some of them, like the Houston guy, they went home. So if we open the system for you, we put it's only available for 2 days because they will come
Sounds
back.
like-
But like most of them only come home when it's like holidays, like Christmas or something. They get the break, they will come home. But most of them they just stay here, or some of them their family come visit.
In the last 5 years, has it always been like that, or did this pick back up with Samsung? What I'm wondering is, prior to Samsung, is that why the
Are
numbers
we in
are
the
so high?
Samsung effect?
Right, like if in 2 years when not much more construction or this or that, is
No,
it gonna...
I heard the Samsung was the worker that worked there told me it's going from 7 to 10 years. Because from the first plan, it was they're only trying to build a company, but then they expanded. They tried to open like a Korean town. So, yeah. When we bought this place, it was so run down that the previous owner had it for very cheap. So we have like really bad customer. So the process of kicking them out and keep the place nice and clean so we have good customer was the most unlucky. But we already took care of that part because like before, like it was so run down.
Y'all run everything? Like y'all do the cleaning, y'all do...
Before we have a housekeeping, but then she quit. So currently right now my parents have to clean the room.
So there is nobody, y'all run every aspect, all the...
No, we have front desk.
Front desk.
The lady just on vacation.
Got
I assume hire someone to run and manage it, or you guys?
it. No, David's gonna... Yeah, we're gonna have to have somebody manage
Housekeeping, yeah.
everything.
Oh.
Okay.
Maybe they have someone in mind.
Yeah, or maybe they do one.
Yeah.
All right, what do you
I'm-
need next from me?
Let's look at the numbers again. Let's look at the lease he sends. Let's get the numbers from May, and let's see what we need to do to take it down. See if it makes sense with the current income and interest rates and
Right.
everything we need, and see kind of where we need to be at. And if we can't make that happen, let's see how we can structure seller financing.
Yep.
But I like, this is a very well run operation.
Yeah. It sounds like they turned it around.
Would you want to keep it as a motel?
For now, probably it's working just fine.
Yeah.
I mean, Llano, the idea was to turn it into apartments, but it's also 5% occupied all the
Right.
time. This is 100%. Why change that?
Yeah.
If the numbers work.
Yeah. She made it seem like you could still bump it up. It sounds like they're still kind of under.
Or
Yeah.
even, is that a thing with the city, or what if you turn like one section into apartments? You know what I'm saying? Or
You probably
it sounds
could.
like there are long-term people that would
Yeah.
probably pay that for.
Smaller towns like this, it's way easier
Yeah.
to walk in and make that happen.
Yeah, you just turn in like
That
that
one?
section, then you keep the motel as well.
I'd want to talk to somebody and see what's required to do that. Like, can we just put burners or like little electric stovetop
Yeah,
in
you
there?
gotta have a kitchenette or
Yeah.
something to be able to consider it an apartment, right?
Right. Because right now it's just motel. It's same issue at Llano. Is
Expensive.
it wouldn't be cheap, and then the most expensive part is the kitchen,
Yeah.
right? But you'd also have to decrease the number of units, so you'd probably bring it from like 50 to like 35, because
Combining units or
yeah, like take 3 and turn them into 2 apartments. But this is a good one if we can get them where we need them.
Okay. I'll be in touch.
All right, man. I'll see you at 4.
Thanks, man. Good to see you, Rob.
Thanks, Rob. You good?
Yep.
Need anything?
We'll just run the numbers on the Caldwell thing and come up with a number to offer him, I guess.
Run numbers on this too.
Okay.
What do you think?
I mean, I like it. Yeah, the whole fact that it's pretty much occupied is the nice part.
It's straight mom and pop, but they're doing a great job.
Yeah. The hardest part, just getting a good manager in to keep it going that route is the
Right.
main thing.
I want to hire that girl.
What?
I want to hire that girl.
Yeah. Interesting. But all right, bro.
All right, man. See you later.